I, Dr. Santosh Singh, Associate Professor of Sociology, wants to share my opinions regarding sociology, Indian society and COVID-19. This is my first video, so please support me. Now, I want to tell you what exactly sociology studies. What is sociology? See, we have studied for such a long period, and we know today that this is the only subject of social sciences which studies society from different aspects such as social, economic, political, legal, traditions, modes, etc. So these are so important for us that this subject is having so much of utility in today's life that we need it in every aspect of life. So, sociology is one of the social sciences which studies everything. Everything is sociology. This I have not said. This is quoted by famous sociologist. Sociology is the human interaction, and this interaction means when we give and take, we exchange something which leads to social relationship. These social relationship, in other hand, leads to society. So, what is sociology? Sociology studies society. Specifically, where we live, that is also society, and in the broader term, India as a whole is also a society. Now, those people who live in society are our concerns. What is society? Society means two persons or more than two people who live in a society. Now, when we talk about society, these are the people who are concerned today and they are affected by COVID-19. COVID-19, we all know, is a deadly disease which got originated in Wuhan, China, and it has engulfed the whole world. Today is such a time, or you can say it is a testing time for all Indians, that if our government has not taken the right steps, we would have been got infected by this virus in vast numbers. So, this COVID-19 has led our human interactions to nil. We all know that this time is a lockdown time. We are all safe and staying at home. So, society is actions has come to a stop. The whole world is attacked by this virus because till date no medicines or vaccines have come out. So still we are in a such a time where we are fearful of getting interaction with other people. We are avoiding all our relationships. It has led us to such a life where we never imagined that such a time can come in our society. So there is a deep relationship between sociology, Indian society, and COVID-19. Now we have to be very alert and watchful on our behavior. We have to see that our culture, which is undergoing a change, and we have to imbibe them sooner or later in our lives so that we start living with this virus, because now a time is going to come where we have to go to schools, colleges, offices, marketplaces, and this virus will be with us. So, I would like to add a few things which in today's life we never thought of that our culture pattern will also change. We all know. Yes, students, they know of students, those who are studying sociology, they know that culture is of two types: material culture, non-material culture. And material culture is that things, those things that which we can touch and see, and non-material culture is those things which we cannot see with our eyes. So, such terms in today's life, like mask, sanitizing, lockdown, quarantine, incubation, all these things have add up to our knowledge, and these have become part of our culture. So, there is a drastic change in our society. We have started digital knowledge and using them on taking online classes. So this is the time where we have to go for all necessary things and live our life properly. To say that to live our lives properly is very easy, but there are two stratas of society: those who are better off, like we can divide the Indian society into two: rural and urban society. Those people who are living in urban areas such as cities, and they are well off economically, they can live their life very nicely, and they can save themselves from starvation and saving from this coronavirus also. Now, middle class people also can manage it, but what to say about the people who are on the verge of starving, low socioeconomic status people, largely the workers who have lost their jobs, their livelihood, are in danger of starvation. What to say about this virus or COVID 19? So, in the end, I would like to say that society is suffering a lot as a whole. We have to follow the rules and regulations which our government keeps on doing it. I would conclude that sociology is called mother of all social sciences. It is apt. Sociology studies society. People of society are under stress, fearful due to COVID 19. So, the topic of my video is exactly true because these terms are closely related in today's context. Thank you.